fifth graders, it's Miss Ha. And for those of you who were on the Zoom class last week, we were learning about Hispanic heritage scientists. And can you think of the name of the famous astronaut who is the first Hispanic heritage director of NASA? And first Hispanic heritage lady to go to the moon? She's still alive. That's right, Ellen Ochoa. She was an astronaut. And you know, when I was growing up, astronauts and people were talking about going to the moon. And now people are saying that kids of your generation, when you grow up, the next place to visit is, can you think of the planet that people would like to go to? Well, there's a documentary on Netflix called Mars Generation. I think you should check me out. But we're going to learn a little bit about exploring Mars. And Mars, I guess people are interested in exploring it because they think that there are some conditions that could be similar to Earth and very different to Earth. There's a reason that we live here, right? We have air, we have water, and we need those things to survive. So next thing you know, astronauts, when you grow up, you may want to be an astronaut. You may want to go to space. And guess what? The grown-ups in this generation want to prepare the next generation to explore Mars. Think it might be really interesting. Think you might be able to collect a lot of information out there. So when you're on the internet, you might go to this is called Mars Generation, and you might check this out on Netflix on your own. But this is a documentary all about kids learning about space exploration. And for someone like you who's thinking about what you want to be when you grow up, you might be very interested in this if you're interested in space. The Mars Generation on Netflix. I'm just going to add Ellen Ochoa's name here. But, you know, in science fiction, you might hear about a lot of things like Martians, right? Like aliens and stuff. These are people, or human, or not even humans, but like inhabitants of Mars, right? And they would call us Earthlings. But I want you to think about all the cool things about what Mars would be like. What do you think the atmosphere would be like, the air? What do you think the land would be like? Is there water there? We're going to learn about this and more in science. So I encourage you to Google it, look it up, and we're going to learn more together. Thanks, fifth graders. Bye.